everybody, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a couple of recent hauls that I did from Great Lakes Lacquer and Polish for Days. I feel like I haven't been doing a lot of hauling in the last few months just because I felt like I did a ton of hauling, but I bought some really beautiful things. And then of course, like I told you guys in another video, I'm going to go into this like retro hauling thing where I'm showing you older orders that I kind of have in this corner of my polish room that haven't opened yet. But these are recent purchases, so this is not a retro haul, this is recent stuff. And first up, I ended up getting this trio from Great Lakes Lacquer. You guys, I have, I think maybe one other Great Lakes Lacquer besides these, and it's like an older sort of like glitter bomb from there was like a theme where they did like the Met Gala for Polish Pickup, and it was like based off the sheer mesh dress Beyonce wore one year, and she had like the high pony and it was like sort of like a mirrored mesh dress. That's the only Great Lakes Lacquer I have besides these three now. I saw these advertised. I believe these are part of a the Heroes of Lake Huron trio. And I saw the swatches of these, you guys, and I just was like, I need to have these in my life. And so I swatched them on a nail wheel for you guys. They are amazing. And I've worn one, and I'll put a little video here of the one I wore, a picture. I don't remember what I took. I think I have both. But first one in the collection is going to be this one, and this is called the Heroes of Lake Huron Anthony. I don't know if this is based on some kind of book or movie or what it's about, but it's so beautiful, you guys. It's like a pinkish red polish with like a beautiful golden greenish shimmer in it. It's so shimmer-tastic. I really am excited to wear this. I don't think it fits in with Halloween, but I think it could fit for fall. So pretty. Let me show you guys this. I feel like it pulls a little bit more orangey red once it's swatched, but the shimmer is amazing. It's very sassy and just so beautiful. Great formula on these two. 3 coats to get opaque on longer nails, but I think on shorter nails you could definitely get away with 2. And they do have to be a little sheer, right, so that the like shimmerness can shimmer. So the shimmer can shim. And then next up I have the Heroes of Lake Huron in Devin. And you guys, this is so pretty. It's like a pinky with purple shimmer. You guys know I'm a sucker for this like combination. It's like a pink with a blue shimmer, a pink with a purple shimmer. Sign me up, take all my money. I have several of these from like mainstream brands, indie brands. I just feel like you can't go wrong with this combination, so I got another. But this one is so beautiful, you guys, as well. I just swatched it and look at that. So gorgeous. I feel like this is another one that fits perfectly going into fall. So pretty, and just again, the shimmer is shimming. So gorgeous. And then this is the one I wore. So I ended up wearing this in, I believe, September. And this is the Heroes of Lake Huron Danny. And this is really pretty, you guys. When I first put this on though, I felt a little bit let down for some reason. Like when you see this in the bottle, it's like you're just expecting to have your breath taken away basically. And that's what I was expecting. When I put it on, I polished my nails in my living room. That's like my new thing now. I have like a tray. I've told you guys it's very non-professional. And my living room's a little bit dark, and I feel like maybe that's why at first I was kind of like Then I took some pictures in my bathroom, not in my swatching lights, and I was still a little Then I actually went to work and I was wearing this out in the sun, and the went to like, wow, this is just, it's really beautiful. I wore 3 coats of this because my nails were long when I wore it, but so pretty, you guys. The shimmer in it is gorgeous. It has this sort of like beautiful green shimmer, and then like some sort of like flakies or something. It's a little bit different than these two because it has like an extra element in it. I'm not sure what it is, but so beautiful, you guys. This is just such a gorgeous trio. I will definitely be contemplating more polishes from Great Lakes Lacquer in the future. The one thing I will say is I thought, and she did mention the turnaround time was going to be long, But by the time I got a shipment, like information on this, I forgot I had even bought them. So just be warned that it does take a minute to turn around. But I mean, they're busy. They're busy people. And I'm sure these aren't their full-time jobs, you know, making polish either. So I do have some, you know, understanding for that. Then Polish for Days. I believe this was like the Halloween something Wicked collection. I saw the like preview she put out of this and I was like, oh my gosh. Then I saw swatches and I was just like, oh my gosh, I need a few of these in my life. And so I ended up purchasing 4. I was on the fence about 5 and I cut 1 because I was just like, you're doing the most right now. But this is so pretty. So again, stuff that is very just much my style. So this is called Grave Consequences and it's a purple base with like some green shimmer. This is very Halloween-esque to me. I feel like it reminds me of like Tales from the Crypt. Not that I've ever seen any of these things, but I remember when like the preview for it would start like late at night and I'd be like, oh my god, change the channel, change the channel. I'm not gonna be watching Tales from the Crypt or Elvira, the Mistress of the Dark, or any of this craziness. But it does give me those vibes and it's so pretty, you guys. Like, I really enjoy these shimmer finishes from Polish for Days. I just think they're so beautiful. Look at how gorgeous that is. And then if you do like stamping or nail art over this type of base, I just think it would be amazing. I ended up buying some really cute Halloween nail decals from Shein. And then I had the most epic nail break on this finger right here. They've grown out a little bit, but the nail decals are too big for my nail now because I've told you guys I have like little tiny nails, little tiny nail beds, little tiny hands. I'm sort of like a T-Rex, like, and I hate it. I hate it. I wished I had bigger hands, I guess. I don't know. Or like bigger nail beds or like longer nail beds or longer nails, or I don't know what I want. But I was gonna put some Halloween nail decals over this polish and my nails are too small now that they're short. So, you guys, I hate my nails short. I love short nails on other people, but for myself personally, I just feel like it really makes my hands look even smaller and like, just, I don't know. Anyway, I digress. But if my nails grow out a little bit and I don't have any more epic nail breaks, I plan to put this on with some really cute nail decals. I think that would be so, 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 so cute. Then next up, I have Polish for Days Ghost at the Gate. And it's a similar like color combination. So you have this like purplish base. Then you have like the green holographic, or not holographic, the green flakes, multi-chrome flakes. But then it has those really fun black flecks. She's been putting a lot of the polishes lately. You guys know I'm a sucker for those black flakes. Like anytime there's a black flake, I'm here for it. But look at this. Again, just very spooky, very cool, very Halloween-esque. The black flakes do kind of get lost in the shuffle of this darker base a little tiny bit, but you can see them. Great formula on this. 2 coats on this clear nail wheel, so I think it will just be a 2-coater. But, oh, so beautiful. Then, I have been a sucker for these, like, purpley blue shimmery polishes. I think I have a bunch on my nail rack, but I got another one, because why? I'm crazy. You can never have enough, apparently. Like, maybe you need 20. I don't know what the number is where I'm finally gonna be like, no, you have enough of that. There might not be a number. I don't know. But it's really pretty. A little bit sheer. I think this will be 3 coats to get opaque, just based on what I saw playing on the nail wheel. But again, perfect for Halloween, perfect for fall. Gorgeous, dark, and vampy. I'm a sucker for the shimmers from Polish for Days. Like, they're just good. They're good, good, good. Beautiful polish. And then last up, she did this sort of like a magenta-y per pink type color. You guys know I'm a sucker for this. This is one of my absolute types. Like these two right here are my type. Like I say, if you guys are into tall, dark, and handsome, I'm into blue with a purple shimmer, and I'm into magenta polish. Like if I were on a polish dating site, like I would be hitting this polish up. And so it has this beautiful magenta. It has all these like multi-chrome flakes, but then it also has those black specks that I tell you guys I'm an absolute sucker for. all in this pretty little bottle. This one is called Mean Ghouls, which I love the name of it too. Did you guys, I don't know if y'all follow Forever 21, but they did a Mean Girls like collection for the anniversary of the movie, and had some cute stuff. I didn't order anything because I'm trying to cut back on like impulse purchasing clothes as well, just because you see how I shop polish. I shop clothes like that, I shop shoes like that, and I shop bags like that. Like, I'm just pretty much basically out of control, and so I'm trying to control myself better. Who would have thought? What a concept. But this is so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's just so gorgeous. It has like the most beautiful glow. The color is so flattering. The black flakes do not get lost in this base because it's not super dark. I need to wear this for sure soon. After Halloween probably, because it's not super Halloweenish to me, but I think it's perfect for fall. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. So that's everything I got for Polish for Days. I also want to give you guys one more like little fall tip. I got this Bath & Body Works Pumpkin Spice lip gloss. I got more than one. So they were having a sale on their lip gloss for like all their lip products were like $4.95 I think, or $3.95. They're usually pricey. This is usually $8.95, which I would not spend for a lip gloss unless it's like Rosebud. But this is so good, you guys. It smells amazing. It's like kind of moisturizing, not too tacky for like being a lip gloss. I'm obsessed with this. I'm glad I ordered a bunch of them because they were on such a good price. But I've given some to my mom. I gave some to my son's my daughter-in-law, my son's girlfriend. I plan to give them to my niece and sister. I went hard on the sale. Whenever there's a sale like this, like on things that I know other people I know enjoy, like I stock up. And then whenever I see them, I'm like, oh, here, take one of this. I have a bunch. But my son's girlfriend said she was really enjoying this as well, and I am loving mine. Pumpkin Spice Fanatics, get this in your life. I also ordered a, I believe, strawberry one that I have not tried yet because I feel like it's like pumpkin spice season, so I need to be seasonally appropriate. But so good, you guys. So that is everything that I picked up recently from Polish for Days and Great Lakes Lacquer. And let me know if you guys have any of these polishes. Did you pick any of them up? Have you worn them? What are your thoughts? Do you love Great Lakes Lacquer? Are you Polish for Days sucker like I am? Let's just talk about everything haul related in the comments down below. If you guys like this video, please make sure to click the like button down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. I hope you're having an amazing day. Bye!